bad back here.
Can't say the floor looks particularly good anywhere. The wall. I'm telling you, this feels very 1920s.
Yeah, it does.
Very, Great Depression. Look at that vacuum.
What vacuum? Oh, wow. Look at this wallpaper.
Oh, it's too, my light's too bright. That works. This little medicine cabinet. What, you don't want to see me fall?
Not really.
I wanted to see you fall.
It's not very nice.
Except you got up because you were too cool to stay down.
Tiny house.
People don't need much to live. Imagine metal detecting under here.
Oh my god.
Look at that foundation. That vacuum cleaner's neat. Wish I could tell where the floor was. The 2 bathrooms. Kind of been walking.
See
Already
them all
had.
sticking up. Thanks for pushing me over.
I pushed you out of the way.
Oh yeah, that's what you did.